Hey, my name is Chris Bailey, and I'm going to show you how to make a real easy summer rockfish ceviche with stone fruit. Let's get started. So first, we'll take fresh rockfish, half-inch dice on this, about a pound, 1 medium red onion, just finely sliced. We have 1 small cucumber, seeded and finely diced. Just take 1 to 2 small jalapenos. Take the seeds out and finely dice it or julienne it like I have here. Next, we just take a couple red tomatoes, just finely diced. Next, we have cilantro, about 1/3 of a cup, chopped really fine. A couple radishes, either you could finely dice them, but here I have them just shaved finely. Next, we take 1 ripe large peach, dice it at 1/4-inch dice. I take 1½ cups of fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed, and mix with about 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice. And then a good pinch of kosher salt. So now we have all the ingredients in the bowl. We're going to give it a good mix. We want to make sure all that lime juice and orange juice coats the fish thoroughly. So what's going to happen is that acid will start breaking down the fish and start marinating and cooking it. Just look at all the beautiful textures and colors. So easy to make, just remarkably fresh, especially with that stone fruit. It's just something that easily will impress your friends and family. So I have everything thoroughly mixed. What I want to do is cover it with a layer of plastic wrap, saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator and let sit for at least 4 hours. This will just continue the process of the lime juice and the orange juice just marinating the fish, so it's only going to get more flavorful as you let it sit.